Om Shri Sai Ram. Dear children, in this class we are going to discuss about number of atoms in a unit cell. So before going to the main point, we will do the revision of the last class. In last class we have discussed about the lattice point and what is lattice crystal, and then what is mean by primitive unit cell and body centered unit cell, face centered unit cell and end centered unit cell. So now you just consider this is one unit cell. Okay, all of you very familiar with this one. So you will be playing, right? So now this is just consider this is a one unit cell. Okay, so here, and even you can see this is like, it looks like this one. Okay, this is unit cell. So and at each corner of the unit cell, the atoms or molecules or ions are present, right, at each corner of the unit cell. This is the primitive unit cell. Okay, just the atoms, the constant particles only present at the corner of the unit cell. So next one is body centered unit cell. Body centered unit cell means here the one constant particle is present at the center of the unit cell. It is only present at the center of the unit cell, that is body centered unit cell. Okay. The next one is face centered cubic unit cell. Okay. So here we know there are 6 faces are there. Okay. If you see this one, how many faces are present? There are 6 faces are present all around the cube here, and each face one constant particle is present. See here, this is one face, one particle or one atom, and here there are 4 faces. Okay, and even one front is there, one back side. Each face is consist of one constituent particle, that is FCC, face centered cubic unit cell. Okay, then end centered cubic unit cell means only at the end of the unit cell the constant particles are present, here like this. Okay, this is all about the unit cell and what is lattice point. Lattice point means this is called the lattice point or lattice site. Okay, and what is mean by primitive unit cell, what is mean by body centered cubic unit cell and face centered cubic unit cell and end centered cubic unit cell. So in this class we are going to discuss about how many number of atoms present in each unit cell. So the number of atoms in a unit cell. Crystal lattice is made up of a very large number of unit cells, and every lattice point is occupied by one constant particle, that is atom. It may be atom, molecules or ions. So the first one is primitive cubic unit cell. Primitive cubic unit cell has atoms only at its corner. Each atom at a corner is shared between 8 adjacent unit cells. Each cubic unit cell has 8 atoms on its corners. The total number of atoms in one unit cell is 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. So here if you see, so this is, we know this is one unit cell, right? One unit cell means this is one unit cell. Okay, and we know there are constant particles only present at corner of the unit cell. Okay, and here like this, how many unit cell is present in this structure? There are 8 unit cell present in this structure, right? And here in primitive unit cell only constant particles are present at the corner of the unit cell, and here 8 means 8 constant particles are present at the each corner of the unit cell, and 1 by 8th of that one atom, here one, just consider this is the atom, and that 1 by 8th of that part is shared with 8, the neighboring of 8 unit cell. So just consider this is the atom, here one atom is there, or it may be molecule or it may be ion. That ion is shared with all 8 neighboring unit cells. that's why 1 by 8. So is equal to 1 here. It means how many atoms are present in one unit cell here? Total only one atom is present in the primitive cubic unit cell here. The next one is body centered cubic unit cell. The atom at the body center wholly belong to the unit cell in which it is present. Thus, in a body centered cubic unit cell, see here also unit cell means, one unit means all 8 atoms present at the corner of the unit cell, and 1 by 8th of that part is shared with the another 8 unit cell. It is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1, and one atom is present at the center of the unit cell, that is one atom completely it is present. You can see the even 3D dimension structure there, one complete one atom is present at the center, and the total number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 2 atoms. You can easily find out here. So this is one unit cell, and here these all 8 atoms present at the corner of the unit cell, okay, that is one, that is called the primitive unit cell. And if one atom is present at the center of the unit cell, means that is a BCC, right, body centered cubic unit cell. Here this corner atom is shared 1 by 8th of that part with the another 8 unit cells. That's why 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1, and one complete one atom is present at the center of the unit cell, that alone it will be there, that is 1, okay, one whole atom present at the corner, okay, is equal to 1. So total number how many here? Total number of atoms in BCC is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. It means there are 2 atoms present in body centered cubic unit cell. Next one is face centered cubic unit cell. A face centered cubic unit cell contains atoms at all the corners and at the center of all the faces of the cube. Each atom located at the face center is shared between 2 adjacent unit cells, and only half of each atom belongs to a unit cell. So you can see the picture very clearly. So that unit cell and there each constant particle is present at the each face is there. There are 6 atoms are present at the 6 faces of the unit cell, and that then the corner atom is shared with the 1/8 of that atom is shared with the another 8 unit cell, okay. So you can see here face centered cubic unit cell. Here we know there are 8 atoms are present at the corner of the unit cell, okay, and we know that atom is shared 1/8 of that part is shared with the another neighboring 8 unit cell, okay. So that's why 8 corner atoms are present into 1 by 8th of that shared with the another neighboring unit 8 unit cells, and here is equal to 1, okay. And we know in face centered cubic unit cell there are 6 faces are there, and each 6 faces having the constituent particles here, okay. So that 6 faces are there, and only half of that part is shared with that unit cell, okay, is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 3, okay. So therefore how many number of atoms present in FCC? 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 here. Total number of atoms in FCC, face centered cubic unit cell. There are 4 atoms present in the FCC, okay. So now in face centered cubic unit cell you can see the calculation here. There are total number of atoms per unit cell is 4 atoms. So the assignment for this concept, so the first question is define crystal lattices. You have to define what is meant by crystal lattices. Second question is write characteristics of crystal lattice here. write all whatever the characteristics of the lattice crystal. So, crystal lattice here. And what is BCC unit cell? You have to write what is meant by BCC unit cell here. Fourth question is how many atoms are present in FCC unit cell? You have to calculate how many atoms are present in the FCC unit cell. So, fifth question is calculate the number of atoms present in BCC unit cell. So, here also you have to calculate the number of atoms present in the BCC. Thank you. Sai Ram.